This video will show you how to replace the high beam headlamp bulb on a Toyota Matrix. This will be located inside of your headlamp assembly, accessed from inside of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To replace our bulb, let's make our way into the engine compartment just behind our headlamp assembly. Now while we're looking at this, we can go ahead and disconnect our electrical connector. The locking tab's right along the rearward side here. Typically you can dislodge this with your thumb. You could also use a small screwdriver if necessary. Just gently pry it away. Once you have it dislodged, a quick inspection for corrosion, of course, we can set that aside. Now we'll take hold of the bulb. We're going to turn it counterclockwise to remove it from the headlamp assembly. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, clean and inspect the mounting area. For this, we're just using a clean rag, no detergents. Now we can install our brand new high beam bulb. We'll get this in position. We're going to turn it clockwise to lock it into the headlamp assembly. Now that we know that we have that locked in, let's continue on with our electrical wiring harness. We're just going to take this, we'll align the locking tab. We're pressing it until we hear that audible click, a light tug to confirm it's secured in place. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our high beam bulb. The next thing you need to do is test the functionality. Of course, when you do these, it's a good idea to replace them as a pair, repeat the process on the other side of the vehicle, and then take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.